Hi everyone, and welcome back to part 2 of our Dream Fireplace Wall build. In the last episode, we built the solid base cabinet. Today, we're building upwards. We will construct the 2 tall side shelves and create the realistic miniature TV for our entertainment center. This will get us one step closer to the grand finale in part 3, where we'll build the stunning marble wall, create the magical working fireplace, and assemble everything together.
Okay, let's start with the main components for this video, the 2 tall shelving units.
As for the materials, we'll be using our usual trusted toolkit. You'll need some cardboard, your printed wood texture, paper glue, a hot glue gun, and of course, your basic tools, a pencil, scissors, and a ruler.
Let's start by cutting out all of our cardboard pieces. I will have the exact dimensions and quantities for each piece appear on the screen for you to follow. Okay, now we're going to cover all of our cardboard pieces on both sides with our wood pattern paper. And here comes a very important professional tip to make your furniture look realistic. Always pay attention to the direction of the wood grain. Make sure you align the grain so it runs along the longer edge of each piece, not across it. This mimics how real wood is cut and makes a huge difference in the final look. Here's the simplest way to cover these pieces to get a perfect result. First, glue your cardboard piece onto the paper, and then just trim the excess paper around. And look at that! They look just like real little wooden planks, don't you think? It's amazing what you can create with just paper and cardboard. Okay, to make sure our shelves are perfectly level, we first need to draw some guidelines. Take your 2 back panels. On each one, we're going to lightly draw the lines where our shelves will be attached. I have all the exact measurements for you right here on the screen. Okay, it's time to glue our shelves in place. Apply a thin, even line of hot glue along the edges and carefully attach them to your guidelines. Be careful not to use too much glue, otherwise it will squeeze out the sides and create a mess. Okay, with our shelves in place, let's build the frame around them. We'll do this in order. First, attach the bottom panel. Next, glue on the 2 side panels. And finally, secure the top panel. And just like that, our 2 beautiful shelving units are complete. Now let's make the television. For the TV, we'll be using our same basic materials, but with a fun twist on our printouts. This time, instead of wood or marble, you'll need 2 things: a simple plain black printout for the TV frame, and for the screen, any image you want. This is where you can get really creative. It could be a beautiful photo you've taken yourself, or even an amazing image generated by AI. Okay, now take your main cardboard piece for the TV. We're going to cover the back and all 4 sides with our plain black printout. Next, we'll attach our picture to the front to create the screen. And for the final professional touch, we're going to create the TV frame. Let's cut some thin black strips of paper and glue them neatly around the edges of our screen.
Wow, I am so pleased with our progress. The entertainment center is really starting to take shape. But what do you think? Do you like how the shelves and TV look? Let me know in the comments. And get ready, because you do not want to miss the grand finale in part 3, where we'll finish our entertainment center by building the stunning marble wall with the magical working fireplace. To make sure you don't miss it, please subscribe and hit that notification bell. And a quick reminder that my Etsy shop is now open. The printable PDF patterns for the viral sweater sofa and the matching armchair are available right now. Let me know in the comments what other patterns you'd like to see in the shop. You can find the link to my shop in the description and the pinned comment. Thank you so much for being here with me, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!